LED Innovation Desk Lamp. Supplied USB-C cable. Instructions on how it works. The lamp itself that lifts up and adjusts. Doesn't swivel, it just goes up and down. And it has the on and off, a number of controls and a brightness level. Please remove the film. You need a light at work by your desk. There's an on and off switch. 90 degrees. It exceeds no more than another couple of inches and that's it. It doesn't swivel, but it goes all the way up 90 degrees, 180 degrees actually. And it closes down and it could adjust far out. As we turn the light on, we have a number of different modes, from soft to bright, the kelvins. We have the brightness level that increases about 20% of each press. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100%, and the different light levels. All this information can be found in the instructions. So this light would help allow you to see at your desk. It's a very nice desk light, office, a small desk, even an area that you need to have some light. It doesn't have anything else but the light settings of a low Kelvin to a high Kelvin and the increments of 20% to raise it high or low. It's a very simple and easy light to use. So I hope you enjoy this product if it's right for you.